को रोकना चाहूंगा इस वक्त इलेक्शन कमिश्नर कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं.
Meticulously. So, large number of young voters have been added. We made an amendment in the act where qualifying dates were made 4 instead of 1 on 1st January of every year. So there are large number of young voters. There are voters in transgenders. It's a truly inclusive voter list which has been prepared. Now, campaigning of first phase is over. Silent period is over. Now this is the day of polling, first one. So it's for the voters to come, enjoy it at the polling station.
So you mentioned that there are about 1 million voters. How much you have seen that in increase from the previous elections, and what is the one message that you want to give to the people who are going to come for the first time?
It's very enthusiastic to see that young voters got enrolled. We also did a lot of activities in the colleges and very youth-specific activities, appointed especially ERO for youth. We see a lot of enthusiasm. We have done a lot of awareness activities also amongst youth, so that if there is any kind of apathy, it doesn't happen. So if you keep using your finger on the social media, on the phone whole day, this is the time to spend 5 minutes and enjoy the power of voting at the polling station. Press the button of the electronic voting machine there, and I'm sure this time our young voters are going to come not only alone, but we have appealed to them to become our ambassadors, to become our influencers, bring as many friends as possible, family members to the polling station, enjoy that festival, feel that responsibility of electing your own government.
And so how would you ensure that people who are old age, they get their maximum rights of voting?
We have done a earmarking in our electoral rolls of the persons with disability, 40% and above. There is a facility to them to cast vote from the comfort of their home, if they so want. But our experience is many of them want to come to the polling station. And we provide them a volunteer, we provide them the wheelchairs, and it's not a question of physical comfort which we provide. It's a question of giving them the due respect, the empowerment. We want to make our polling stations, our electoral process, a case in point that if Election Commission can provide them respect, can provide them equity, can provide them equality, why not the same thing is replicated at railway station, at the airport, in mall? So we have issued great guidelines also to political parties to be very sensitive while talking about the persons with disability. It's their due. They are actually they are more capable than most of us, because it's a question of just giving them those opportunities.
So you also said recently that displaced people in Manipur, they would be able to vote from there. How would you make that?
ऐसा लग रहा है कि हॉन्ट कर रहा है, वहां पे आवाज नहीं मिलती, यहाँ मिलती है. इसने जो है